Hey guys, Terrence here. Today I'm going to be installing some OEM style Fender flares on Project Avalanche. As you can see, somebody removed the old ones from off of the truck before I got it. Not sure why, but I'm going to add some OEM style ones and they should look great. So let's get started. The Fender flares. I'll show you guys where I bought them from, how much I paid for them. It'll be in the description box. You click on the link and get you a set if you need. But as you can see, somebody removed these from off the truck. This is a company truck. It's set up for a few years, not being used. I just did a massive brake job on it. You can click on the link below and also see that I changed pretty much the entire brake line system and brake pads. I should have changed these rollers, but I was over the budget. So I had the wheel cover or the fender cover off already. So if I'm mistaken, they installed in front of, I'm using these holes. So as far as the back, pretty much same thing, easy job. Like I said, I got the wheels off around the truck because I just did a massive brake job on it. So trying to see if anything I left out. Yeah, this is a work truck. I'm also trying to just have some of the rust. I'm not paid next to nothing for the truck. Just trying to get it back into working order. And why not make it look a little decent? I already removed all of the company stickers from off of the truck. So why not try to clean some of this stuff? I think it'll look great inside. The interior is really nice. It's not bad. So let's get started with the fender. Okay, let's just open the box. They all seem to be labeled. This has BR, I'm guessing, back right. FR, front right, which is the passenger side. Back left. Front left, the one we'll be using. The driver's side is the left hand side if you stand and face the truck this way. So we'll be using this one now. Some pretty good material. Well, I guess it's some matted plastic. Looks good. Set up pretty good. Example how it should look when I'm done. Wow, it looks great already. So this does not have the 3M backing like my brother's had. He spent a little bit more money for his. Yeah, his had 3M backing on it. So let's see what's in the box. There's the screws and instructions. It says it is recommended that painting when desired be done prior to installation. I can understand that. Prepping the area for work. Remove the factory fender trim, mud flap. There's nothing there already. So step 3, flare installation. Using moderate pressure, hold the flare in the wheel well. Open it, align it with the vehicle body and the holes in the fender. As you can see, they're up there. It says tools required, jack and jack stands, optional, utility knife. So I'll get them installed right now and I'll show you guys. Man, these are on here firmly. When you pushing the, when you screwing the screws, make sure you use the right bit. Otherwise, you kind of will get you can mess the head up on the screw. So use the right bit to fit in there, and push in while you're screwing them in. Make sure you push in. That's important. Push in while you're screwing them in because it's a snug fit. And wow, I'm impressed, man. That's on there. That's not coming off. So I'll put the fender cover back on, or the wheel well cover, and then I'll install the other ones. I'll be back in a second and show you guys. Just want to show you how easily I may show the back one. Well, if it's difficult, but I just want to kind of show this. I don't want to make the film super long or make this video super lengthy. I'm trying to cut back. It's a habit I got, just trying to show every detail to help out. That's I guess the most important part for me is to help. So if I can show every single detail, that's why my videos are lengthy. That's what I try to do. I try to show all the details, or even when I'm struggling, to show you guys that I struggled, or I'm struggling with an issue that it wasn't easy for me as well. So that's why my videos are lengthy. So I'm trying to break that habit and cut back on the lengthy videos. So as you can see, I mean, I'm impressed. This is a firm, snug fit, and it looks really, really nice. Let's get a back view. Really, really nice. So I'll install the other ones, and I'll be back shortly. If I run into or encounter any issues or any problems, of course I'm gonna let you guys know. Like I said, I just want to help, man. That's my goal here, to help you guys, to help anybody that I can doing similar jobs or the same job. So let me get the rest of them installed, and I'll be back in a second. Okay, I guess 75% done. This is a fairly easy job. I'm guessing to put all 4 of them on, if all your holes line up perfectly. I'll show you why my back don't line up perfectly. This is about 5 to 10 minute job. Yeah, I say 10-minute job. If you got all the fender flares out on the ground, laid out, ready to go, because you can actually push the screws in. Maybe 10 minutes, 15 minutes is pushing it. 10-minute job. This is a super easy job. I'll show you how it look snugged up against the wheel well cover with the fender cover. That's a nice clean look. Nice clean fit. Matches the bumper matte black. I like that. The rear I'm having issues on. I'll show you guys why. It's got me these two started perfectly up top. However, this truck has got some body work done to it. It's Bondo. So I have to get my drill to make these 2 holes over here and over here as well. I'll push them up there really nice and firm like that. Set me some holes and get them tucked in place. Same here. I'll show you the other side. Bondo or something, I don't know. That hole doesn't line up, so if you guys put your flares on the rear and you have an issue with the screws, because there's nothing seeming to be wrong with this side, but the holes are not lining up, they're offset. As you can see, there's a pretty big gap as far as going up there, because look, I'm all the way on there and there's no holes. So I have to make 2 holes there, and of course the bundle on this side. Push them up there, give me a snug fit. Make me 2 holes, and I'll be back in a second, and I'll show you guys how they look. Okay guys, I'm done. Got a clean look, clean finished look. See the back side over there. I used the step bit and a regular drill bit because the drywall, the Bondo, drywall. The Bondo was kind of rough over here for the step bit to get through. The drill bit got me started, the step bit went right through. So I'll have to do the other side, and man, I'm impressed with these things. These things are on here. All right, be back on. There's some extra material left, which is great. Just in case you messed up any other screws for the locking tabs. But we are done. Let me show you guys what I think I had issues with. Oh, the Bondo. The Bondo was tough on both sides getting through. I have to make the hole a little bit bigger so the screw tab can go in there before I can push the screw inside of it. And yeah, I'm pretty much done. Got a little rust down there still in the front, but they look great. And I guess that's it with the Fender flares. Yeah, I really like them, guys. Okay, yeah, I'm done. If you guys like this video or found it helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Support my channel as I try to grow. I'll be posting stuff that I'm doing in our other house with a lot of the cars I got. And I don't know, I have so many tools. I may be giving away some, guys. I think I'm in the Guinness Book of Records for tools. I may be giving away some toolboxes as we prep for to move in one of our storages because there's just so much stuff everywhere. So I'll get into that or further details into that with another video. But stay tuned, subscribe to the channel. Terrence and I'm out. Hey guys, want to know why I'm so strong-willed? Want to take advantage of your willpower? Check out my ebook, Find Your Inner Will. It's on Amazon. I'll post the link in the description box below. And I guarantee there's something in the book that you'll take away and apply to your daily life every single day. I guarantee it. It's a super quick read and it's filled with lots of great content. So check it out, leave a review, let me know what you guys think about it. You're supporting me and my channel by doing so. Thanks.